Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the MS Word video series. In the last class, we discussed about options like draw table, erase table, and delete table. And now we are going to discuss about these options. Like now, for example, I'm going to decrease the size of the table like here, and after that, I'm going to decrease this one. I'm going to delete this row. Like selected this, and then click on the delete row. It will be deleted. I want to also delete this one. Click on the delete row. Now it's deleted. So these are the options. Now what we have to do, simply now if you have option insert above, if you want to insert the row above the cursor, you have to click on the insert above. It will insert the row above the cursor. If you want to insert the row below the cursor, you have to simply click on the insert below. It will insert the row below the cursor. You have another option like insert left. If you want to insert the column left side of the cursor, you have to click on the insert left and the column will be inserted. If you want to here like insert the column right side of the cursor, you have to click on the insert right and the column will be automatically inserted. After that, you have other options like merge cell. If you want to merge these cells, simply you have to select them. After selecting them, you have to click on the merge. They will be automatically merged. If you want to select this and you want to merge, you have to click on the merge. You have to simply select the cells whatever you want to merge, and they will be merged automatically. And we have other option is split cell. Simply you have to click on the cell. After clicking on the cell, you have to click on the split cell. In how many parts you want to divide it. Now if you want to put in 5, you have to click on the OK, and it will be divided in 5 parts. If you want to divide this, split this, you have to click on the split cell, and I want to divide it in 3 parts, and it will be divided. As you can see, now the cell has been splitted. After that, we have another option is split table, but about this one we will discuss in the next class. So see you in the next video.